Today we are back at Stanley Park covering the Anfield Road stand expansion. So last week we couldn't get up in the air because the weather was just too bad. So I've been checking like my flight checker I've got that I use for checking the weather conditions and stuff, and it said it was good for a couple of hours. So we decided to fly down and get some drone footage for you to see where the site's up to. There it is. So they've completed more of the roof since we were back here on our walk round. We haven't been up in the air for a couple of weeks, 10 days, something like that. So we've been up in the air, and we're going to show you that footage very soon. So, a question from one of our subscribers or viewers were saying about the Anfield Road roof. It's been delayed till next year. That is actually true. I spoke to somebody before about that. So it has been delayed. I wasn't aware of that at the time of the recording last week, but now I am. So yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, so that's been delayed till next summer when they're going to be ripping that roof out. Okay. So, what's new? I don't know whether you can see, you'll be able to see it on the video. They've built like I'm guessing it's like a support structure to the left and to the right. I think they were there last time we come. Them orange beams that are supporting the structure are there to support the temporary. They will be coming out when the stand is finished. Now, we had to cut our coverage short on the drone, and I'm just trying to get you a bit closer to show you why. So, let me just, this crane here, the second one in, it's actually blowing like mad in the wind, so the wind is quite rough up there. So we got as much as we could. So down in our description, we've got the link to our Spreadshirt store. It's got some special World Cup merchandise, and obviously that starts on Sunday. So take a look and see what you think. But right now we are going to get into this video, into the rest of the video of the drone footage we've got. Managed to get in these winds. Enjoy. Any comments, any questions, anything like that, leave them in the comments down below and we will get to them as soon as possible. Until next time, take care. One thing that I did forget to mention is our walk around video will be back as normal on Friday. So look out for that. Have a great week. We'll see you soon. Take care.